Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech. It's December 15th, 2022 with the daily debrief of our trades from today. And it was just one trade. And this was a Cleveland Cliffs Inc., CLF, one of our favorite targets. And what I've been doing lately with my new trading plan is just always starting out with an SSC. So I just stalk for trying to find the mover. And what I mean by find the mover is what I use is the frog box, which is our measurement of a signal to noise intraday. It's a way we can actually measure intraday movements, calibrated to different symbols. So we take the average range of the last 30 days, whatever the standard deviation is of that, that's what we use for our frog. And the owl bundle you see here calculates it automatically. It was 20 cents. So I started trading here at this vertical blue line, and I saw that Cliff was moving down. It had moved down from this high here, frog box, so that's a mover. Came a little bit lower down to winter as the RL10 turned to red below the MACD line, and then when it turned up, I took the SSC supported spring crossing. So the RL10 here crossed this purple line, the baby dragon. The RL10 line crossed through the dragon, and then it turned to spring. You can see by the yellow. So we bought it here with our stop down here at that swing low, marked by that PSAR flip, which is calibrated to the RL10 low here. And we saw this red box was my initial risk. And so as long as I got that at least 2-to-1 up to that previous swing high, which I had, that's a low risk idea. So I took that trade, and this one's doesn't look great because what I've been doing lately is I just trail with a 1R stop. So I trail with this initial risk. And then when it gets up to 2R, what I've been doing is just ratcheting up my stop to 1.5 to just lock that in. And then my plan was if it got back up to here to just resume that 1R trail. It didn't. It quickly had just a very minor pullback, but it was enough to get me out here. So that was 1.6R. Of course, then I stopped trading, but then I saw, when I came back, I saw this. It just took right back off. So that happens. You can't get them all. That's just part of trading. But what I like to do, that's why I do the daily debriefs, is to see how I can improve for my next sample set. So that's what I kind of made a note here. This could have been 5R if I would have let it just trailed with 1R, and then would have got out here after 3R. I like to use a PSAR, so that would have been about this exit. Would have been 5R instead of 1.6. So still a profitable day, but my two things I think to try to improve then are a re-entry plan, which I didn't take this time, which would have been my re-entry I think would just be, so this was my exit bar here, and to say if it broke, if a new bar came along that broke the high of this bar, then I could just get in right here again with that same stop trail. So that would have got me back in. Or the other possibility would have been, instead of ratcheting it up to 1.5R when it got to 2R, just leave on the 1R trail and just live with that. And that would have kept me in the whole time. So, I want to be transparent and show all the trades, not just the ones that, that look great. And this one doesn't look great, but that's how we learn, right? And that's what I'm hoping to show on this channel. Go to ablewaytech.com for some of the courses we offer there, including how to trade these kinds of patterns. Thanks for watching.